So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a rough valve, a Moen, and also a trim kit. The other one was a Moen, about 30 years old, and it had a built-in diverter into the valve itself. So the diverter came out of the cover plate, and then just a spout with no diverter on it. So we were going to repair it, but it was going to be like $300 just for the repair. They opted just to put new components in, so we did. Anyways, iron pipe home. We got a brand new valve in the back, brand new drop down to the tub spout, and then of course that's copper stub out. So it will move a little bit. So we recommend just the only time you're going to use this is when you're going to divert the water here, and you can see how easy that lifts. You know, one finger, and it'll divert the water up to the shower head. So we don't recommend pushing down, pulling up, going side to side. The tile's a little uneven right here, so the bottom course sticks out about 1/8 of an inch, especially right here in the corner, which leaves a gap around there. And so what we did for that gap was put some silicone in there. That's going to be a maintenance thing. If you ever see it start to separate right there, you want to get some clear silicone. We left some right there on the counter for you, and just silicone it back in. Same thing we do at our house. This is the exact same valve and trim kit that we've got at our house, so that's just a maintenance thing. Went ahead and put some silicone around the cover plate as well, and then there's a 1-inch extension on there, so the valve is pretty far back in the wall and the tile is very thick, so there's a 1-inch extension kit that we had to install there, and fortunately they had that at Ferguson. Up top, it's the same shower head. We've got the Eva shower head, shower arm, and up top you got a block. I was going to take a picture of it while the wall was open, but we went ahead and covered up the panel. So down here is where you see all the good stuff going on. Up here we did give you a block there for the shower head because it was hanging way back here, and it's right next to the stud, so there was really no way. Down here there was a block stud here and here, and so we cut it, but there's no stud up here, just one in the middle, which is fine. So we got some nice long 3.5-inch screws in here, and then toe-nailed in through here, and that just holds it forward, so it doesn't hold it from going back and forth. It pushes forward, and there's quite a bit of pressure on it, so it'll hold it nice and still up there. Down at the bottom, we can give you another block here. Right behind the tub spout, we put a block in here and plumber's tape to hold the spout back so that it doesn't move around a lot. And so it's strapped in place, nice block, plumber's tape. And like I say, that spout, the copper stubbed out, is tight. It's secure side to side, up and down, but you get that movement because it's just an O-ring behind there, an insert inside that spout, and an O-ring, and it slides around the copper, and then there's a set screw underneath. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.